dum dum. Just up came the big Billy. Trip, trap, trip, trap, trip on the middle of the nose. Who's that trapping over my grill? What a throw.
The big ugly eye.
There you go. Grub, there you go. And he have a very loud voice of his own. Now, I'm coming up to call you, Roy Patrol. He really is hungry now, because I bet his stomach is out. Well, come along, and I've got 2 spears, and I'll poke your eyeballs out at your ears. I've got 2 great big stones, and I'll crush you into bits. And oh, boy, he's ferocious looking. But he doesn't look stupid.
This
No,
whole
it's
idea
right.
of this.
The hammock?
Yeah, come try that.
I don't know where Michelle got that.
Big.
Pretty clever. Why is it supposed to be
Really
good
going up
for
over that bridge.
I don't know.
or
I think she just thought it was cool.
But I'm just scared to face
This is probably really bad for her.
it. Said, oh, but that's what the big
Rough like
Billy
this.
did. And that was what the big Billy
Well,
did.
some of my mom thought it
She thought it was a neat idea at the time. She got a good deal on it.
was a
And
garage.
after that, he went up the hillside, and there the Billy Goats got so fat they
Couldn't
couldn't
even move to South Carolina to be a
And
hammock.
and so,
This one and this one in here, I can't really get this one open.
Hello and welcome to our show, Painting with Brenna. What are you working on today, Brenna?
I'm trying to create something.
What kind of colors are you using today?
I'm using some yellow I mixed into green,
Uh-huh.
and I'm using some blue. I poured into the yellow to make green. Now I'm trying to get this wet or white open.
Uh-huh.
Now would you please get it open for a minute?
Sure.
It's beautiful.
Okay, we're back. And what is your creation going to be today?
It can be a wolf or whatever it turns out to be.
A wolf or whatever it turns out to be?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
It's creamy white. So whenever you paint, you need creamy white stitch. See? Makes it creamed.
Oh, I see. Very nice.
If you like, you can sit, watch it.
Why don't you tell the folks on the show what kinds of techniques that you use for your painting?
I use like some stitches, blue, and some green I mixed into green,
Uh-huh.
and then some white. You see I'm putting on here.
What is the name of this technique?
It's called. Well, when the show is finished, I know it's going to be a good one.
Uh-huh.
That's why I'm making the technique pretty.
Uh-huh.
So that's why I'm spreading on white on blue.
And what kind of effect does that create?
It creates the blue bit in a round way of white.
I see.
Makes it prettier.
Okay.
So when you spread on the white, it makes it pretty.
We'll come back later and see what you've created.
Alright.
Earlier on the show, we met Brenna, the artist, and we learned what kinds of paintings she was working on. How did it come out?
Good.
What did you do exactly?
I put some white all white so it'll look prettier.
Uh-huh.
See how it looks?
Should we come take a look?
That whole thing.
And what is it called?
It's called The Track of the Railroad.
Oh, is it because it looks kind of like a railroad?
This is a little stop. All the things you see what are close by or far away, and it's a little dot. Everything with a little dot is a railroad station. So there's railroad stations all over there.
Well, it's very nice.
Thank you.
Lovely. What will we do on the next show?
maybe we should paint, like, on the next show, maybe we should make it better so I could spin and dance. My spin and dance show tomorrow.
Okay. Say bye to the folks then.
Bye.